Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Sarah and I do makeup. For all my lovely little haters out there, thank you for my views. Oh, it's been a while. I know, I'm sorry. And for some reason I thought I should put my daily prep in the video. But as you can see, I did take the famous Jeffree Star Velour lip scrub, and this one is the strawberry chocolate. Good. I love this stuff. It has saved my lips so much. Next, I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Ebony, or Ebony. There we go. I always get that wrong. And look, you guys, I actually did my brows on video. Now, this is, I would have made it slower, but it would have taken forever. But this is kind of just a little tutorial on how I do my brows. They come out looking very, very rough. And I mean very rough. And then I just shape them with concealer, then they come out fabulous. Oh, Revolution. I love them. I love them. And this is the Conceal and Define, and this is how I'm going to be shaping my brows. And look at how beautiful it came out. Oh, so amazing. I love my eyebrows. Basically, that part is just to show you how slow I go on my eyebrows. And this is with them both done. I'm kind of at an angle when I'm recording this, so it's kind of hard to see my other eyebrow. But as you can see, they are both done now. Next, I took in the Revolution concealer again, and now I am just kind of priming up my eyelids. I do use concealer. I don't use actual primer. I never have. Then I went in with, Profusion. Oh my god, I love their palettes so much, and this is the palette Confidence. I have done so many makeup looks with this palette lately. It is ridiculous. Now I'm just using that shade as a very, very good transition shade, and I'm putting that kind of above the crease. And then I went in with the darker shade. I really wish I could remember these names. I don't know them by heart like I do Jeffree Star's, but hey, I'm getting there. Then I'm putting that shade kind of over above the transition shade, above the crease, to really make it blend very well. This orange shade is literally my favorite eyeshadow color right now. I can't get over it. Next, I went in with the famous Blood Sugar by Jeffree Star. This is amazing. And then I went in with Cherry Soda, and I'm just going to be laying that over the orange that I just laid over on top of my eyelid and the base. Oh, can't forget my blending. You gotta blend it, girl. Blend it. Next, I went in with the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to be kind of just dabbing that all over the base of my eyelid. Then I went in with the Crystalized Glitter by LA Splash. I love this glitter. It is so beautiful. Comes out, oh my god, look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Now I am just carving out that kind of like fallout, little drawn out area with concealer. Then I went in with the Master Prime by Face Studio, and this is by Maybelline. And yep, what can you say? What can you say about primer? Literally, something that you already haven't said. Next, I went in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And I've been using this foundation since I got it, and it was like 2 months ago. I have not used a different foundation yet. This coverage is ridiculous, although it does look like I use a lot. It does say full coverage, but I do find that I have to use quite a bit to actually get the full coverage effect. Did you guys notice my gigantic beauty blender? Oh, I love that thing. Next, I went in with the same Revolution concealer, and I'm just putting that under my eyes. And then I went in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Concealer, and I'm using that as actual contour, just to give my face that little more definition. Next, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer, and I'm actually using this as just regular face powder because I have such a very, very pale complexion that this powder, this bronzer actually works perfectly for my skin color. Then I went in with their contouring palette. I use this contouring palette almost every day, as you can tell. The darker one is like almost gone, and I hardly use the lighter side though. Next, I've taken that same cherry soda red eye color, and I'm putting that under my waterline. And then I went in with the Mega Liner by Wet n Wild. And if you guys have an issue with applying eyeliner after you apply glitter, don't use like regular pen eyeliner. Use kind of like what I'm using. Use a tube. Oh, I can't really say tube. Liquid eyeliner is the best way to put it, because it goes over the glitter pretty much just perfectly, and it doesn't smudge, it doesn't move. It comes out, I would say, pretty well. Have to get a tea break. Next, I went in with a Mega Length Mascara, and this is also by Wet n Wild. Next, I took the red Aspen false lashes in the style Rosie. Define a line. This is the best, like, waterline eyeliner I have ever used in my entire life. I've been using it since, I want to say, maybe 10 years now. And, of course, the signature BhCosmetics highlighter. Need I say more about this highlighter? I use it in almost every single one of my videos. I mean, how can you not look at it? I do have a shirt on under this, don't worry. Next, I took the Profusion Cosmetics Lip Liner. And I will have all the names of the stuff that I use down below in the description. I literally think I have found my favorite lip liner, you guys. I don't normally use lip liner, but this lip liner is godly. And I don't know about you, but having my lips look like that, even with the lines, it looked amazing. Next, I went in with the Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in the shade Wifey. I use so much Jeffree Star stuff in this video, and I am not mad about it. Now, what I am doing here is I'm taking the same crystallized glitter from LA Splash, and I am just putting that over the lipstick while it's still wet so that it sticks. Now I'm just highlighting my inner corner, or my inner V, as some people like to call it. And my brow line. Oh my lord, this is so amazing. And this is the final product for this makeup, you guys. I had so much fun doing this makeup, you have no idea. And I love it so much. It came out so pretty and I'm so proud of it. Anyways, if you guys like this video, you can go ahead and leave me a like down below or subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. It makes me really happy seeing that my channel is growing. I'm almost to 100 subscribers and I never thought that I would ever get there. So it makes me really happy. But stay tuned for my next video. I will be posting another one here shortly. And yes, I will see you guys later.